Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at what is arguably the best camping cooking station available, the GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cook Station. Whether you're a seasoned camper, a tailgater, or just someone who loves outdoor cooking, this portable folding kitchen table is designed to elevate your outdoor culinary experience. Right out of the box, the Slim Fold Cook Station impresses with its sturdy and practical design. The tabletop is made from heat-resistant aluminum, which means you can safely place your camp stove directly on it without worrying about damage. The table itself measures 52 inches in length, 21 inches in width, and stands about 32 inches tall, providing ample workspace for meal prep even when you're in the wild. What makes this station stand out is the clever slim fold technology. It's a one-piece design that allows you to pop it open for immediate use. And when you're done, it folds down effortlessly into a slim, compact shape that's easy to carry and store. There's even a built-in handle that makes transport a breeze, perfect for throwing it in the back of your car or lugging it to your campsite. But the functionality doesn't stop there. The cook station features 4 fold-out side tables. These add extra prep and storage space and can support up to 30 pounds each, so you can keep your ingredients, utensils, or small appliances close by while you cook. There's also a lower storage rack that holds up to 35 pounds, ideal for stashing dry goods, cookware, or other camping essentials. Plus, it comes with handy hooks where you can hang trash bags or cooking tools, keeping your workspace neat and organized. The frame is built from durable alloy steel, giving the whole unit a solid feel without making it too heavy. The total weight is just under 19 pounds, which strikes a great balance between portability and stability. And when it comes to weight capacity, the aluminum tabletop can hold up to 48 pounds, so it's strong enough for most cooking setups you'd want to bring outdoors. Setup and takedown are quick and simple, which is crucial when you're outdoors and want to spend less time fiddling with gear and more time enjoying your meal and surroundings. The cook station's design is smart and user-friendly, making it accessible even if you're new to camping or outdoor cooking. Overall, the GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cook Station delivers an all-in-one solution that feels like bringing a slice of home comfort to your campsite. Its combination of heat resistance, foldable side tables, storage options, and portability makes it an essential piece for any outdoor cooking enthusiast. If you're looking for a reliable, versatile, and well-built camping kitchen station, this one definitely deserves your attention. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on our latest product insights. See you next time.